Hi guys, so today I'm going to make bread, a whole grain bread with walnuts and choco chips. So here are the ingredients. So this is a mixture of bread flour, cake flour, and wheat flour, and water, instant yeast, sugar, salt, and olive oil. So these are the main ingredients of this bread. So ngayon, maglalagay po ako ng walnut at saka choco chips kasi ito lang po yung available. Pero kung gusto nyo, pwede kayong maglagay ng dried fruits or ibang gusto nyong ilagay. Since I'm using food processor, I'm gonna put all the ingredients into the food processor. But if you don't have this, or if you don't have bread machine, you can use a bowl and you can mix all the ingredients. So today I'm gonna use walnuts and choco chips. At mamaya po natin ilalagay after fermentation. So let's get started. Cover, turn it on, add water gradually, and let it mix for a few minutes. So after mixing, we have to knead the dough. So how to knead the dough? So stretch and fold until it becomes elastic. So you can also roll the dough, and then stretch the dough up. And kung nag-stretch na siya, ibig sabihin okay na yung dough. So ready na siya for fermentation. So okay na ang ating dough. So form it into a ball and put it into the bowl and cover it with a clean wrap. Yun, patutubuin na natin siya, let it stand or double in size for at least 30 minutes. Pag dito sa Japan kasi malamig, kailangan mo pang ilagay siya sa oven for fermentation at 40 degrees Celsius. O kung meron kang fermentation machine, pwede mo siya ilagay doon to double its size. So after 45 minutes fermentation, it has doubled in size. So i-check natin kung okay na ang dough. Ilalagay mo lang yung finger mo. Kung hindi na siya mag-shrink, okay na yan. And we have to release the air. I-release po natin ang gas. Kasi pag hindi mo ni-release ang gas, wala pong laman ang tinapay. So para siyang hangin. Okay? So after you release the air, cut the dough into desired pieces and flatten them. Put walnuts and choco chips, roll and stretch 2 times. Shape it like hot dogs or ball, or just like that. Fold and coat the dough with wheat flour. And now it's ready for bench time. Let it double in size for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes bench time, here it is. Tadang! It has doubled in size, and this is now ready for baking. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Here it is. It's yummy. The texture is soft and it's crispy. So thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please check out the recipe on the description box, and hope to see you again on my next video. Please subscribe, share, comments down below for your comments and suggestions. Bye. Thank you.